New one this time. I've got a Tesco run today. Yeah, mate. Just leaving it and once over, checking it out. Main thing here is the cable and the plate. Obviously the other stuff is the usual stuff, but you don't want to leave here without that cable for the back. Wait, there is the one. Let's check it out. We got the car. Yeah. Alright. Freezing weather. And the chance to get a cup of tea from the office. Yeah, the calls are here, mate. You know, check the seal number. 4 7s. Does that mean anything? Hey, we've got the trailer. It's not a double this time to start. 2 double deckers on one shift is really tough, to be honest. So, a good start. Let me go and get this done. A few moments that you need to sort of get confident again with this version of the man. Okay, not hard stuff, but all them buttons and stuff you get. Anyway, let me get going. It's taken me what? It's coming to let's say 45 minutes. I'll be out. Well, 40 past 10. I started at 10, although I came a little earlier than 10. So in an hour, I've got my trailer and leaving, going to where I'm going. Talk with you soon. Alright, out of there. Need to wait before you come out. It's overloading. Don't want to get caught on the road. Especially on the doubles. The single would be alright, I suppose. But I still want to check out the weight as they require on this side. Chance to bang my sandwich quick while I'm in queue. Yeah, I need a few minutes. They're coming. Let's go here, my first one. 3 degrees centigrade today. Yeah, I think winter is here. And I hinted at the guy that the last time I had 2 deckers. So he favored me with this single, but on going back, even if I got a decker, I would be all right, you know. It's just really hard and a bit inconsiderate trying to get someone to do 2 double deckers. Loads of energy that you need for that. It's possible, but I mean, if you don't talk, you get me. This is supermarkets. If you don't speak, you're the one who's going to go through it. So we'll wait for them, see what's going on. These are the ones where if you walk around, it takes you minutes to get their attention. So there's a phone number on the gate because the buzzer needs attention.
Yes. Okay.